The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is already generating a lot of buzz even before its official launch, and for good reason. As the successor to the highly popular Pocket 3, the Pocket 4 promises some of the most significant upgrades DJI has ever made to its compact camera line. Early leaks hinted at a release around December 18, 2025, which had many fans hoping for a pre-Christmas launch. However, new information from YouTuber PhotoRabs indicates that this is no longer happening. The release has been delayed, with no plans to launch in December. The new expected window is January 2026, likely between January 10th and the end of the month. The delay seems to be tied to unfinished accessories, but this is merely a postponement, not a cancellation. The December 23rd regulatory ban has also impacted DJI's end-of-year schedule, potentially delaying other announcements. Despite this, the Pocket 4 has already cleared FCC certification, and a teaser could still appear in December, with the full launch and availability slated for January. Thanks to leaked teasers, NDA documents, and FCC filings, most of the key details are already out. One of the most talked about upgrades is the rumored dual-camera setup, which, if accurate, would allow for optical-like zoom at 2x and 4x. This would be a game-changer for vloggers and travelers seeking versatile framing without compromising image quality. Autoframing is also expected, enabling the camera to track subjects intelligently and keep them centered automatically. Moreover, the Pocket 4 could feature seamless switching between camera modules, letting users change lenses or zoom levels without visible quality loss, greatly enhancing versatility compared to previous models. The camera block itself seems inspired by the DJI Air 3 design but scaled down for the handheld form factor, which raises questions about how much power DJI has packed into such a small body. The new leaks aren't just minor updates. They suggest a complete rethink of what the Pocket 4 can offer. Earlier images suggested a horizontal dual-camera layout, with lenses side by side, but Igor's test unit appears to feature a vertical dual-lens stack, with one lens directly above the other. This design change could have significant implications for performance and versatility. If DJI is borrowing from the Air 3, several lens possibilities come to mind. One could be a compact version of the Air 3's popular 24mm wide-angle lens, likely using a smaller 1.3-inch or 1.5-inch sensor to fit the reduced size. Another could be a medium-range zoom inspired by the Air 3's 70mm lens. A full 70mm lens might be too large for the Pocket series, so DJI could rework it into a practical 2x zoom, offering creators more flexibility without sacrificing portability. Meanwhile, the DJI Neo 2 drone, which was also highlighted in the leaks, offers a fascinating glimpse into DJI's current compact drone technology. After testing it indoors and outdoors, it's clear that the Neo 2 is highly enjoyable to fly. Its advertised 19-minute flight time is optimistic. In normal conditions, expect about 10 to 12 minutes, dropping to 8 or 9 minutes under more aggressive maneuvers. The battery drains unevenly, with the last 20 to 25% disappearing quickly, making additional batteries or the fly more kit essential for longer sessions. Storage is another consideration, with 49 GB of internal memory and no micro slot. 4K footage at high frame rates can fill up fast, requiring frequent offloading. Signal range is decent but can be affected indoors or near strong Wi-Fi signals. Using the optional transceiver improves stability significantly. The obstacle avoidance system is effective for large objects, walls, and indoor navigation, but thin wires, small plants, and chair legs can still trip it up. Sensors may struggle over reflective surfaces like water or shiny floors, so maintaining a safe altitude up to 2-3 meters above water is recommended. Low-light footage is softer due to noise reduction, and extended indoor flights generate noticeable warmth, though overheating isn't a problem. Occasionally, the app can be temperamental, with pairing hiccups or slow live view loading, requiring a quick restart or reconnection. Despite these quirks, the Neo 2 is highly rewarding to fly. Its smooth handling, stability, and indoor-friendly design make it beginner-friendly. The built-in prop guards add confidence, and the drone is surprisingly durable, handling bumps and minor crashes without drama. At 151 grams, it remains under the 250 grams regulatory category, making it easier to fly in public spaces. Controllers and goggles compatibility is wide, supporting the latest DJI controllers and goggles 3, though older controllers from the Mini to Air won't work. Overall, the Neo 2 delivers a compact, fun, and highly controllable flying experience. Understanding its limitations, battery life, storage management, sensor quirks, and app behavior helps set realistic expectations and ensures safe, enjoyable flights. It's perfect for anyone who wants a small, safe, and portable drone that lets them focus on capturing the moment without fuss. Returning to the Osmo Pocket 4, it appears DJI is set to deliver a compact powerhouse with upgrades that could significantly redefine portable cameras. Between the dual camera setup, autoframing, and potential lens versatility inspired by the Air 3, creators are in for a versatile, high-quality tool for vlogging, travel, and everyday content creation. The delay until January 2026 might be frustrating for eager fans, but it also suggests DJI is fine-tuning the final touches to ensure both the camera and its accessories meet high expectations. The combination of advanced features in a handheld form factor points to a new level of performance and creativity for compact cameras, promising to make the Pocket 4 one of the most talked about gadgets in DJI's lineup when it finally launches. With teasers already circulating and FCC clearance in hand, anticipation will only continue to build. The vertical dual-lens design alone challenges previous assumptions and hints at powerful, versatile imaging options. Whether for casual creators, travelers, or vloggers, the Pocket 4 seems poised to offer a compelling mix of portability, functionality, and cutting-edge tech, maintaining DJI's reputation for innovation in the compact camera market. Overall, the Osmo Pocket 4 and the Neo 2 together showcase DJI's ongoing commitment to blending performance, convenience, and accessibility in small packages. Both products demonstrate thoughtful design, practical improvements, and exciting new features that cater to creators seeking powerful tools without the bulk or complexity of traditional cameras or drones. For anyone looking to elevate their content creation or aerial photography, these new releases promise to make a noticeable impact on the way compact devices are used in real-world settings. The Osmo Pocket 4's enhancements, dual lenses, autoframing, and seamless lens switching signal a significant leap forward, allowing users to shoot creatively and efficiently in a small, handheld device. Combined with DJI's proven expertise, this camera could become a favorite for those who value portability without compromising on image quality. Even with the launch delay, the excitement and expectations surrounding the Pocket 4 remain high, making it one of the most anticipated gadgets entering the market in early 2026. The Neo 2 complements this innovation by offering a beginner-friendly yet powerful drone experience, reinforcing DJI's strategy of creating accessible, high-performance devices. Understanding its operational nuances from battery behavior to sensor sensitivities ensures users can fully enjoy its capabilities. Together, these products underscore DJI's ability to deliver compact, feature-rich, and user-centric technology, allowing creators to explore, capture, and share their world more easily than ever before. In short, both the Pocket 4 and Neo 2 highlight DJI's continued focus on enhancing the user experience through advanced features, innovative designs, and practical usability. For creators seeking high-quality footage in portable formats, these devices promise to elevate content creation while remaining intuitive and enjoyable to operate. Whether capturing handheld cinematic shots with the Pocket 4 or soaring through the skies with the Neo 2, DJI is setting a new benchmark for compact creative tools. The buzz around the Osmo Pocket 4's dual camera setup, potential lens options, and AI features combined with the Neo 2's fun, smooth flying experience paints a picture of a new era in compact technology. These devices cater to both casual enthusiasts and serious creators, making high-quality content creation more accessible than ever. Even with minor limitations, the emphasis on performance, ease of use, and portability ensures that both products will appeal to a wide range of users, redefining expectations for compact cameras and drones in 2026. Anticipation is high, and while the Pocket 4's launch is delayed until January, the leaks and rumors already give a clear sense of the device's capabilities. Its innovative design, dual-lens versatility, and AI-powered features are poised to transform how creators capture and frame their world. Meanwhile, the Neo 2 continues DJI's tradition of providing accessible, reliable, and enjoyable aerial tools, emphasizing that compact doesn't mean compromising on fun or performance. Together, these devices promise a new level of creative freedom and practicality for content creators everywhere. The Pocket 4 and Neo 2 demonstrate DJI's commitment to innovation and user-centric design. For those eager to explore new creative possibilities without the burden of heavy, complex equipment, these products offer compelling solutions. With advanced imaging, smart tracking, and versatile camera modules, the Pocket 4 will likely become a must-have for vloggers, travelers, and everyday content creators. The Neo 2, with its compact, beginner-friendly design and impressive flight capabilities, offers a complimentary experience for those looking to expand their creative horizons. In conclusion, the Osmo Pocket 4 and Neo 2 exemplify DJI's approach to blending innovation, usability, and performance in compact formats. Both devices promise to make content creation more accessible, enjoyable, and versatile, whether in the air or in hand. With the Pocket 4's anticipated dual-camera functionality, high features, and portable design, and the Neo 2's fun, stable, and beginner-friendly flight experience, creators can look forward to tools that enhance creativity while remaining easy to use. As DJI prepares for the Pocket 4's January 2026 launch, excitement continues to build, highlighting the company's ability to set new standards for compact cameras and drones in the creative tech landscape.